Hey guys, this is Clarence. Hi Clarence. Show me some magic, dude. You're fine. Okay, show me some magic.
So, Kuya Ray, say stop.
Stop.
Right there? Okay. Let's cut these cards. So, I have here the 4 of spades. So, we'll put the 4 of spades here. Okay? That's the 4 of spades right there. Now,
4 of spades. 4. Wala ko nakita. Ako nakita.
so, I want you to deal 1 card, 1 at a time in my hands. 1 5.
Iibutan niya.
Yes. Just
Okay.
say stop whenever you want to stop.
Stop. This one. Stop.
So, let's eliminate these cards. And I will deal these cards for 2 piles, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Of all the 2 piles, which pile do you want? Here. So, you want to change your mind?
Kaya na.
No, no. So, the card that you chose is a right before we started the trick, we chose 4 spades, which happens to be.
Hello, go. Astig, astig. Okay, what's your YouTube channel, bro?
Clarence22 Joseph. Just check me out, guys.
Okay, check out Clarence and his YouTube channel. It's right there on the video description box. Hi, Jess.
Ano ko yung video?
Yeah.
Hindi, why thank you so much.
I want to say hi to the Facebookers.
Hello, Facebookers. Katong video ni
She writes my notes. Kapag photocopy siya sa umahan. Balik.